What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Rogue Vet here, and we're at Ford McCombs West in San Antonio. It's early 8 a.m. so I'm looking tired, but don't mind me. Pretty nice meet here, so I'm gonna go ahead and do the rundown of all the cars here, and then that'll be the video. So just another car show, guys, and thanks for subscribing and liking all my stuff, and let's go ahead and get underway with the car show. All right, guys, in no particular order. I'm starting on this back end. My car's on that side over there, but we'll make it that way. But I just kind of want to show y'all what's kind of lined up here so far. Lots of Fox bodies. Sorry about any wind noise. I like the gray on this one. Look, it's got a 5.0 swap on it. Look at that. Race ready on this one here, guys. Holy cow. I mean, look at this. And there's mine. Parked with the Mustangs. Lotus Evora GT. Check that out, guys. It's nice. And then the Mustang. And then mine. And those. Alright, guys, we're approaching the front of the dealership. We got a very nice Z01 right here. You can see big Wayne gang. And then my favorite car probably out of all of them, the C6 ZR1. I think it's cyber gray. Oh my gosh, guys, look at the LS9 blower on top. Supercharger. Oh, beautiful, beautiful car. Fast as heck. And then right next to it is another favorite, the C7 Z06. Wish I could have had one, but cool. Look, he's got the little see-through hood on it. That's nice. You don't see too many of those over there, so that's definitely an add-on. And then check it out, Shelby GT500. Oh, so beautiful. Wide body. Alright guys, so now I'm going to go on this opposite side. Really nice Charger Hellcat here. Challenger next to it, shaker hood, 392 Hemi, bunch of Supras, the newer Supras. Some BMWs. Ooh, and then a Whippled GT350. Man, look at that. You know this one gets up and goes. Wow. Wow. And then another Charger Hellcat. All right, we got a couple of classics this way. Chevelle SS, look at that. That's nice. Very nice. Let's take a look inside. Oh my goodness, look at the black leather. Wow. We'll go to this one too. Look at that. Take a look at the back. Oh my goodness. Oh, that's nice. Some more classics that way. We'll make it our way over there. Oh man. Take a look at the insides. Switch to the Mustang. Lots of classics, guys. Real cool. We'll take a look at the T-Bucket Rat Rod. Another Mustang. Don't let the truck deceive you. Look what's under the hood. Boss 302 intake 5.0 swap. So you think it'd be an old little truck, that ain't gonna be quick. Nah, things got some power. Got a little CTSV action. Sounded pretty good when it was coming in. Rated R performance. Little sticker on there. Alright guys, well that's pretty much the meat. Most of the cars I think are here already. It is 44 degrees out here, so I put my little thing over my ears because I'm getting cold and my hands are like freezing. But anyway guys, I hope y'all enjoyed the video. It was pretty cool. Just a quick short, another little car meet. But anyway guys, until the next video, this is the Corvette out. Hope y'all have a good one. Peace.